Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Begin by lightly sketching the car's basic silhouette, focusing on its overall length and width. Establish the ground line and the car's low profile. Pay close attention to the wheelbase and the overhangs, ensuring they are proportionate. This initial stage is crucial for setting up the correct perspective and dynamic pose of your drawing. Keep your lines very light, as these are just guides. Now, let's refine the body and add some key details. Focus on the prominent rear wing and the front splitter, which are essential to the GT3 RS's look. Sketch the wheel wells and the large, intricate wheels, paying attention to their size relative to the body. Don't forget the side skirts and the various air vents that contribute to its aerodynamic design. These details bring the car to life and emphasize its racing heritage. Moving on, let's add the lights and windows. Carefully draw the iconic Porsche headlights and the sleek taillights, ensuring their placement and shape are accurate. Sketch the windshield and side windows, thinking about how light would reflect off the glass. You can also subtly suggest interior elements, like a roll cage or racing seats, visible through the windows. These smaller details add depth and realism to your drawing, making it more engaging. For the final touches, it's time to add shading and highlights. Use a range of pencil pressures to create shadows under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body panels. This will give your drawing a three-dimensional quality. Vary your line weights to make certain edges pop and define the car's sharp angles. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. A well-shaded drawing truly brings out the power and elegance of the Porsche GT3 RS, making it look incredibly realistic and dynamic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.